the hell? Who be calling this time of night? Hello?
What's that you say? There's a nacho challenge and it's called hashtag Nacho Bowl 2021?
You TikTok weirdos gotta stop calling me. That chicken's a liar. Good day.
Aloha and mahalo. Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. This is the hashtag Nacho Bowl 2021. Going to make KFC Nachos.
Aloha and welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. This here little lady is Mookie, and I'm the Colonel standing in for Chappie. Chappie's on holidays. So this episode we're going to be doing the Nacho Bowl 2021 challenge. It's put on by Chef Grace's Place. So check out that YouTube channel and give her a subscribe. Now the rules are very simple. You just have to make some nachos. Now unlike other challenges, there will be a winner. It's based on likes and comments. Now if any YouTubers out there, if you're going to do one, you can't like your own video or comment on your own video. And you have to like or comment somebody else's video. Next rule, you have to use hashtag Nacho Bowl 2021. And the final rule, you have to call someone out. So Wayside Wade, I'm calling you out. Wayside Wade has a travel channel that focuses on the obscure. I don't know if I can convince him to make a nacho, but these days it's pretty darn tough to have a travel channel. So Mookie and I are going to head out and pick up some nacho cheese. Mookie, it's nacho cheese, it's my cheese. And I'm going to make KFC nachos. So we have to stop off at Kentucky Fried Chicken and pick up some chicken for my KFC nachos. So see here. I got chicken. Oh, right in the chicken nuggets. Oh.
Ooh, that's just bananas. Ooh, ooh.
Alright, I got my chicken skin all crisped up. I just love this nacho cheese. You can use it as just a drink or as a dip. Allow me to demonstrate. That is some good goatee dip. You can see that skin's all crisped up. Just like eating a potato chip, except it's chicken skin. Alright, so I got my chicken skin. Then I got some chopped chicken I'm just going to put on top there. I'm going to give it a hit with that lovely, lovely cheese. And then I got some serrano chili peppers. They're a little higher on the Scoville units than your average jalapeno. And there is my KFC nachos. Thank you, Chef Grace's Place. for watching another edition of Chappie's Tiki Bar. Please hit the subscribe button below. It's just down there. And I just want to say, I did not have oral sexual relations with that chicken. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.